Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Happy Halloween. So today we'll be making Rice Krispie treats, Ghost Pops. I got this kit from Aldi's and this is everything that comes in a kit. It comes with Rice Krispies, marshmallow sticks, icing making, and the decorating icing color black. First we're going to start off by heating 2 tablespoons of butter, letting that melt. And once it's all melted down, you're going to spray your spatula or a spoon, whatever you're going to use to mix the marshmallow into the butter. Please spray it with non-stick spray because it will stick. This is very sticky. You're going to allow the marshmallows to melt down, stirring them continuously. Make sure that it's on a low heat. Once your marshmallows are all melted, it should look like this. And then you're going to add your your Rice Krispie treats to the marshmallow mix. And mix that all together and allow it to come together and coat. Take it off the heat as well while you're doing this so you don't burn the bottom. Make sure that it's all coated with the marshmallow. And then it should look something like this. It's very hot, so I advise only adults to handle this part of the marshmallow treats. Once it's all mixed together, you're going to put it in a bowl. See, some of mine got stuck to the bottom because I left it on the heat too long. But you don't do that. You remove it from the heat when you're mixing the marshmallow in. So these are the molds it came with, a ghost like mold. And those are kind of hard to come out, but once you're finished molding them, you could stick the popsicle sticks in. And moving right along, we're going to make the frosting for our marshmallow treats. Here I have a cup, a mixing bowl, and my mixer, and a cup of confectionate sugar. And you would need 1 stick of room temperature butter. Mix the butter first, allow it to get fluffy. Then you're going to add your powdered ingredients as well as a teaspoon of milk. Once you finish mixing in the powders, add a teaspoon of milk. And mix that all together, and then you should have your frosting. Place your frosting in the piping bag, cut the tip, and you're ready to decorate. This is my frosting, and I'm going to show you how I decorated my little ghost. It's pretty simple to do so. You could decorate them however you see fit, whatever floats your boat. And take your time when squeezing the bag because you don't want to make a mess. Then I'm going to take, that icing comes with the kit. And you have to cut the tip before using. See? Now I got a happy little ghost. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my finished treats. My kids are going to love it, and I hope your kids do too. Happy Halloween. Thanks for watching.